Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. So we can see that this is about 8 minus b. We want to cancel the square root, that is about power number 2 in here. So that means we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So if we simplify, and that is about s to the power of 6 plus 5 minus s to the power of 6, because this one with the power number 2, you got s to the power of 6. This one and this one, they cancel. So when s approach to positive infinity, this one that will go to positive infinity. Number 5 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.